right, before we get into today's portrait of her, I just want to say thank you for being here. And also, if you're enjoying content like this, be sure to hit the like button down below, or I'd ask if you would consider subscribing as well. Now, this portrait has been another one that's been long overdue. Someone whose music I've enjoyed and loved, and you know, not only do I love her soulful take on just music, but also I just love the guitar that she has mastered in her musicality. So I'm loving it. I hope you enjoy this portrait series, and let's get into today's portrait of her. Let's go.